video we'll discuss about the mechanical pencil. Why should you use this mechanical pencil, or why should you buy this mechanical pencil? So I'll be clearing you about the mechanical pencil in this video. What is the benefit of this mechanical pencil, or this is very much important for an artist. If you learn, you can do much more detailing works or realistic or hyper realistic work. Saurav Doshi sir has also been using this mechanical pencil of Sakura or monograph like that, and he is also making most hyper realistic works of pencil works from this mechanical pencil. So I'll be clearing all about the mechanical pencil in this video. So how to use, why and where to use, why to use, or it's all about mechanical pencil. At the end I'll be showing you some demo how to use this, where to use this. So see the video till the end. If I hope this video is helpful. If this, so do like, share and comment your doubts, and if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start today's video. So guys, you will get mechanical pencil of different grade, different brand, or different look, or different build quality. Like I have Flair Tango company of 0.7 and Camlin of 0.5. So it is also available of Sakura or monograph, etc. So if I have three different brands but they are of 0.5, so we can put any brand lid in those three pencils. The lid matters, not the brand of the pencil. As the point get lower, it is used in very fine detailing. As point highs, we can do large areas. Like I have 0.5, so we'll use it in very fine detailing, and other in large area like this you can use at the end. At the end I'll show where and why I use the mechanical pencil. So here I have the Flair 0.7 mechanical pencil. This lid is of 2B for the Flair mechanical pencil of 0.5, and here I have HP lid of the Camlin 0.5 mechanical pencil. So HP is lower grade and 2B is the higher grade. 2B is darker than HP, and HP is light from the 2B. So here we can see the difference between the front build quality. In this Camlin mechanical pencil, you can see the front tip is different, and in the Flair, the front build quality, the tip of this is different. It's like a simple, but in the Camlin, the tip is very like it's very nice looking, and but it doesn't matter. It's depend on your practice and all. If you also take the Sakura or monograph or like that cheap not very expensive pencils, you can also draw realistic or hyper realistic, or you can also take this cheap pencils, so you can also draw realistic or hyper realistic drawing from these two pencils. Cheap or expensive doesn't matter, your quality, your practice and all matters in your drawing. And okay, so at the end I'll be showing. So now you can see I'm using the 0.5 Camlin mechanical pencil. So here In this, I want very fine lines for the nose that I'm drawing. This will not be happen by the wooden pencil, that is the Apsara drawing pencil, which are in Creates drawing pencil like HB or 2B, 4B, like that. So that I am um, for that I'm using this mechanical pencil which is of 0.5, because I want very fine lines, very thin line. So now here I am using the point 0.7 flare mechanical pencil in the lips drawing. So here also I want just fine lines for the lips outline and some uh, lines that are in a lip structure. For that I want, here also I can use the 0.5 mechanical pencil, but the lines are little bigger and the outlines are also like that. So for that I am using the 0.7 mechanical pencil. You can also use 0.8 or 0.9 as you are required. So in market all mechanical pencils are available from 0.1 to 0.9, 10, like that. So as you require, you can buy from market and use it. uh, Very different brands are also available on Amazon, on Flipkart, or you can say online websites like that. So means mechanical pencil do work that the wooden pencil doesn't can't do the work. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. If it, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.